Hi everybody, Marshy Morgan here, giving you some information today that's on a tricky topic with QuickBooks, and it is getting your bank feed and Chase Bank to communicate to get those bank statements. It makes life so much easier, and you save a ton of time by not individually inputting all of your credit card charges and all of your uh, statement numbers. So let's dive into that information today. So what we have here is I've opened up my bank account, and you will see if you go to statements, you can't do it from here. Okay, open as a PDF or you can download it, but it's only downloading as a PDF, so that doesn't help you. So you have to go, okay, what do I have to do? What you have to do is actually go down here to account activity and see this button right here. This button allows you to download your account. So I actually have to do this. So this is the account I want, and there's different files that you can actually download. In this case, we want to put it in our QuickBooks, and then we want to say choose a date range. Let me warn you, if you do all transactions, it's going to do all transactions, and then you'll have to clean that up in your bank feed, in your accounts in QuickBooks. Do not do that unless you're actually starting fresh or you don't have a lot of data. Okay. Just learn from my error, right? Okay, so let's go back into what we're doing here. So we're going to say the account that it's coming from. We're going to say QuickBooks, right? The file. And then we're going to give it a date range. And since it's November 1st today, I want October, right? I'm wanting that particular date range. I'm going to say download, and it's going to say up here at the top, it's doing its little thing. I click on it, and then it pops up this window, and it's asking me, would you like to import these transactions now? Yes, I would. So I say, okay. Now, I always save my statements separately, but you can do it right here. My CPA, she does it from up here, saves it, but I actually do the one step further and save it from the statement itself. And I say okay, and then it says QuickBooks Web Connect. We say okay, and then wada boom, wada bing, it's there. So I hope this was helpful to you, and let me caution you on those transactions. Don't do them all at the same time. If brought you any value, please like, subscribe. This channel is all about tips, tricks, about business and your personal life. And have a wonderful month